When you're doing the origami color wheel, sometimes you can feel a little bit overwhelmed trying to get a different color in each space. So I'm going to give you some tips about mixing colors to make it easier for you. So instead of dealing with the whole wheel at once, deal with one section between two main colors. So we've got our blue and our yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and use my cup and dab out a little bit of blue on one side. And I'm going to go ahead and dab a little yellow on the other side. Now, we've already painted our primary color shapes with our yellow and our blue, but now we have to do the colors in between. So the yellows over here will be mostly yellow with a little bit of blue, and the blues over here will be mostly blue with a little bit of yellow. So what I could do is just steal a tiny drop of blue and mix that in with my yellow. And this is mostly yellow with a little bit of blue in it. And I can go ahead and paint in a shape that's kind of near there. Now, if you have more than 40 shapes, you can go ahead and repeat colors like I did over here, but this one doesn't have too many, so I'm gonna be okay just kind of leaving it as it is. Now I can go ahead and take another drop of blue and add that in. And notice I didn't even have to wash my brush in between. The color that I need is right there. And then I can go ahead and paint that color in. And I go right up to the lines first. And then I can paint in the middle after that. Now, what about going in the other direction? Well, I could steal some of this and add some blue into it and mix it up. And now I've mainly got a blue with a little bit of green in it. And maybe I'm going to use that right here. So what I'm trying to tell you here is instead of trying to do the whole wheel at once, just handle one section between two primary colors, add a little bit of one color to the other, mix it up, and you can do it in reverse as well. So I could continue to add a little bit more yellow to this, and that will change that blue. And I haven't had to wash my brush yet, but I am still making color changes, and when I'm done, this whole color wheel will feel like the color transitions are natural and complete. So that's your tip of the day for how to do your origami color wheel. Make sure that between your colors, you do go ahead and wash out your brush. If I'm ready to go on to red or my whites, you definitely want to clean your brush and test it off to the side. Cap your paints when you're not using them. And if you do come in and see maybe a little bit of red inside the yellow, let the teacher know immediately so we can fix that problem before it ruins everybody's project.